There are many ways to make drumstick curry. So today I'm going to be making a simple and delicious recipe. So basically I've picked up the flavors from South India but given it my own twist. Hi guys, this is Ruchi Bharani and welcome to Rajshri Food, your ultimate destination for 100% vegetarian recipes. So the main ingredient of course is drumsticks. So when you buy drumsticks, make sure you buy like thin, tender ones. And I've basically cleaned them, cut them into 2-inch pieces. All you need to do is please pull out all the skin from the drumsticks because it tends to make the gravy bitter. So just pull it out like that. So let's start with the next step. Heat a pan. Into that I'm going to boil around 2 cups of water. Next, let's add in 1/4 teaspoon of haldi or turmeric powder, salt, around half a teaspoon. Next, I'm going to add in around 10 to 12 kokum. So I've taken the dried ones and I've washed it thoroughly. Let's add it into this water. Let the water come to a boil. So I've taken around 3 drumsticks that I've cleaned up and now the water has come to a boil. Let's add these in. Let these cook for at least a good 10 minutes on slow flame till they're nice and tender. So I'm going to grind 2 ingredients together. I have 1.5 tablespoons of peanuts here. And also 4 tablespoons of grated coconut. Let's grind this together. Open this. This is done. Let's keep it aside. Let's heat up another pan. Into this, I'm going to heat 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, or you could use any oil that you have at home. Once the oil is nice and hot, into this I'm going to add in a tablespoon of mustard seeds, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 dry red chillies, and a few curry leaves. Also a teaspoon of ginger paste, a tablespoon of garlic paste. Just saute this for a few seconds. And add 1 shredded onion. Just cook the onions for a couple of minutes till they turn soft. The onions have softened. Into this I'm going to add this coconut peanut paste. Saute this paste for a minute. Let's check on the drumsticks now. They should be done. Just poke a knife into a piece, and if it's nice and tender all the way through, that means they're done. So let's turn off this flame and pour this entire water, drumsticks and the kokum into this pan. In case you don't have kokum, You could always use tomato puree made out of 2 tomatoes, but just add the tomato puree after you cook the onions and cook it well, and then add the coconut paste. Don't add it while boiling the drumsticks. Let's add in a few spices. So I have Kashmiri red chilli powder here, so half a teaspoon. I have sambar masala here, so around 3/4 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Coriander leaves. So drumsticks is very commonly eaten in South Indian states. They are basically pods of the moringa tree and they're extremely nutritious. So you really need to add this to your diet. This is done. Let's turn off the flame and time to plate. So basically while eating, make sure you fish out or remove the kokum because that obviously you don't have to eat. So just remove it out. You can serve this with rice or even appam. It tastes delicious. So do try this delicious curry at home and I'm sure you're going to like it. And don't forget to subscribe to Rajshri Food. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.